Meet the Renault 16, the car that changed family driving forever. From the world's first hatchback to its revolutionary sliding seats, it redefined practicality. Hidden luxury, clever engineering, and bold innovations made it ahead of its time. This classic is more than just a car. It's a game changer. Today, we uncover the amazing facts about the Renault 16. The Renault 16, launched in 1965, is widely recognized as the first true mass-market hatchback, pioneering a format that would dominate the automotive industry decades later. At a time when sedans and station wagons were the norm, the R16 combined practicality with innovation, offering a rear hatch that allowed easy loading and unloading of cargo, a feature previously reserved for high-end models or commercial vehicles. Its design bridged the gap between compact family cars and larger utility vehicles, making it versatile for daily commuting and long trips alike. Beyond practicality, the hatchback design also contributed to improved structural rigidity and allowed more flexible interior layouts. For families in the 1960s and 70s, this was revolutionary. One vehicle could carry groceries, luggage, or even large furniture items without requiring a trailer. Today, the R16's hatchback format is considered a standard feature, but at its launch, it represented a bold step forward in automotive design, setting a benchmark for manufacturers worldwide and cementing Renault's place as an innovative leader in family mobility. One of the most remarkable features of the Renault 16 was its rear seating system, which could slide, fold, or be entirely removed, giving it versatility almost unheard of in mid-size cars of the era. This flexibility allowed owners to transform the interior from a 5-seat family car into a cargo-friendly minivan within seconds. Sliding the seats forward created extra leg room for rear passengers, while folding them flat produced a level loading floor for bulky items. Removing the seats entirely unlocked maximum cargo space, making it practical for camping trips, furniture transport, or even small business deliveries. The mechanism was surprisingly robust for the time, combining simplicity with ingenuity, and it highlighted Renault's attention to daily usability. This approach not only elevated comfort for passengers, but also addressed an unmet need for adaptable storage in personal vehicles. Modern hatchbacks owe much of their modularity to innovations like the R16's sliding and folding seats, making this feature a pioneering example of how flexibility can redefine automotive design for everyday life. A lesser-known engineering quirk of the Renault 16 was its asymmetrical wheelbase design, where one side of the vehicle was slightly longer than the other. While it might sound unusual, this configuration was intentionally crafted to optimize interior space and enhance ride comfort. By adjusting wheel placement, Renault engineers were able to increase legroom on one side of the cabin, improving passenger comfort without making the car excessively large. The asymmetry also contributed to better weight distribution, which, combined with the front-wheel drive layout, enhanced handling stability on uneven roads, a crucial consideration given Europe's varied road conditions at the time. Most cars of the 1960s relied on standard symmetrical layouts, so this approach demonstrated Renault's willingness to challenge conventional design norms in pursuit of functionality. It may seem subtle, but the engineering brilliance lies in balancing interior comfort, cargo flexibility, and driving dynamics without compromising the car's exterior proportions. Today, this asymmetrical approach remains a fascinating example of innovation ahead of its time, showing how design ingenuity can quietly redefine practicality. The Renault 16 TX trim revealed a surprising level of luxury hidden beneath its understated exterior. While the standard model projected a modest family car image, the TX edition offered plush seating, refined upholstery, wooden dashboard panels, and thoughtful interior touches usually reserved for premium vehicles. Features like adjustable headrests, superior instrumentation, and enhanced noise insulation made it feel remarkably upscale, creating an experience that contrasted sharply with the car's exterior simplicity. This duality, modest outward appearance with hidden opulence, allowed owners to enjoy luxury without ostentation, a subtle elegance that that appealed to drivers who valued comfort over flashiness. Additionally, the TX trim often included more powerful engines and advanced features, combining performance with refinement. In an era when luxury was often synonymous with conspicuous design, the Renault E16 TX demonstrated that sophistication could be functional and understated. Renault embraced front-wheel drive technology with the 16 at a time when rear-wheel drive was the standard for most mid-size and family cars. This forward-thinking approach offered several advantages: improved interior space due to the absence of a driveshaft tunnel, better traction in wet or icy conditions, and more predictable handling during cornering. For families, front-wheel drive translated into safer, easier-to-control vehicles, particularly in European climates with challenging winter roads. Mechanically, it allowed a more compact engine layout and optimized weight distribution over the front axle, contributing to fuel efficiency and stability. While FWD is common today, it was a bold engineering choice in the 1960s, reflecting Renault's willingness to prioritize practicality and innovative design over convention. By integrating FWD in a family hatchback, Renault set a precedent that influenced countless manufacturers worldwide. This forward-looking choice not only improved driving dynamics, but also expanded interior possibilities, proving that engineering innovation could directly enhance daily usability for drivers and passengers alike. The Renault 16 was equipped with an advanced, fully independent suspension system that delivered an exceptionally smooth ride for its time. Drivers often described it as magical, absorbing bumps and uneven surfaces with remarkable finesse, giving the car a floating sensation that rivaled luxury vehicles. This sophisticated suspension was part of Renault's commitment to comfort and refined handling, providing a level of ride quality unmatched by many contemporaries. However, the complexity came at a cost. The system required meticulous maintenance, and neglect could lead to misalignment, wear, or component failure. DIY enthusiasts often struggled with the intricate setup, making suspension upkeep a common challenge. Despite this, for those who maintained it properly, the R16's suspension transformed daily driving into a pleasure, offering stability and comfort even on rough roads. This duality, exceptional comfort paired with demanding maintenance, showcases Renault's willingness to push engineering boundaries while balancing ambition and practicality, a hallmark of the R16's innovative design philosophy. The Renault 16 featured a lightweight aluminum engine, which was revolutionary for its time, offering improved fuel efficiency and reduced vehicle weight. Aluminum construction allowed for faster engine response, better heat dissipation, and enhanced overall performance compared to heavier cast-iron blocks. However, this innovation came with specific challenges. Aluminum engines are more prone to corrosion, gasket wear, and thermal expansion issues, requiring attentive maintenance and quality fluids. Owners who neglected these details often faced head gasket leaks, warped components, or premature wear. Despite these potential pitfalls, the aluminum engine represented a bold move toward modern powertrain design, illustrating Renault's commitment to innovation. For enthusiasts, it offered a glimpse into the future of automotive engineering, where materials science and performance intersected.